In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and paste a selection in Photoshop the right way. We're keeping things simple and efficient. The goal is to isolate part of an image, remove it from its current layer, and paste it somewhere else, either in the same document or a different one. You'll do this with a selection tool, a clean cut, and a quick paste. First, choose a selection tool that suits the shape of what you want to cut. For straight-edged or perfectly round areas, the marquee tool, accessed with the M key, is great. For organic or irregular shapes, the lasso tool with the L key lets you draw freehand around the object. And if you want Photoshop to help detect edges, the quick selection tool with the W key often gets you there fast by brushing over the subject. Pick one based on the shape and complexity of the area you're targeting. Now, draw around the area you want to cut. Take your time here. If you're using the lasso, trace just inside the edges to avoid grabbing unwanted background. With the marquee, drag to frame the exact region you need. And with quick selection, use small controlled strokes so Photoshop expands the selection precisely. Zooming in can help you place your selection more accurately, especially along detailed edges. If the selection grabs too much, pull back and refine your strokes until it hugs the subject nicely. Once you're confident with the selection, it's time to cut. On Windows, press Ctrl+X. On a Mac, press Command+X. This removes the selected pixels from the active layer and places them on your clipboard, creating a clean hole where the selection used to be. Don't worry, your selection isn't gone, it's ready to be pasted. If you don't see anything change, make sure you're on the correct layer and that the marching ants are visible around your selection. To paste the selection, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Photoshop will paste your cut selection into a new layer, which makes it easy to move and position independently from the original. You can place it elsewhere in the same document or switch to another open document and paste it there. The pasted piece will retain the same quality and transparency it had when you cut it, so it should blend seamlessly wherever you put it. That's the entire process. Select, draw, cut, and paste.